Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to do a little bit of a product review. You may remember that I did a review once before on F-Stop Gear's Ajna backpack. Absolutely love this backpack. I've been using this backpack for 2 to 3 years now. Very rugged. It's gone through all kinds of conditions, all kinds of different weather. It's been out in the rain. It's gotten soaked. It's protected my gear. Very comfortable to use, and it's just rugged. It has been beat up and it's none the worse for the wear. So absolutely love F-Stop Gear's products. They reached out to me a couple weeks ago, asked me if I would be able to do a review on their new face masks. With COVID-19 and the world starting to open back up, a lot of us are wondering, what are we going to do once we start getting out there and being able to shoot weddings and stuff again, and we're out in the crowds. We may be in an area where it is required to wear a mask, or we may just choose to wear one for a little extra safety. Anybody who's been on my workshops before knows that safety is a big part, big concern for me. We always do safety talks before we go out onto the trail or wherever we happen to be going, because I want to keep people safe. I want to make sure they have a good experience to be able to keep on shooting. So the same thing with COVID-19. We're out and about in public. We may be shooting weddings, we may be shooting a portrait shoot, and we may be required to get a little bit closer to those clients. I am always very close to my clients. And speaking at workshops, I need to be able to get close to them, show them things on the back of their camera and stuff, and I don't want to be able to don't want to be breathing on them all the time. So this is a great little option. The nice thing about these masks are they are washable. These are not disposable masks where you're going to wear them for half a day, get them soaking wet with the moisture from your mouth, have to toss them, grab a new one. These, they have technology built into them, which is fantastic. I'll go over that just quickly in a moment. But they are washable, which means that you can use these over and over again. And I can't remember how many times they say, but it's described on their website how many washes you can actually go through before you start to wear down the technology that's built into this. So definitely check out their website for that. They come in 4 different colors. There's a black. I think this one would be great for a dressier occasion, weddings. There's a nice neutral grayish color. There is an orange if you want to stand out a little bit more. And then they've got this purple one. They come in this little packet. They are breathable, they're washable, they're very comfortable, and of course they're reusable. They just slip on really easy with the traditional elastics. They do have this little bit of a nose flap that comes on, which is great. It just covers up over top of the nose. I use a mask quite often when I am sanding things in the shop, when I'm doing my woodworking, and those little disposable masks usually have that little pinch point at the top, and that's just to try to stop that moisture from coming up and fogging out your glasses. With this and any of the shooting I've done so far with it, I haven't had any of that problem, so it works fantastic. And as you can see, you're still able to hear me, which is very important as a photographer. They have 3 layers. The outside layer is QAS treated at the outer shell. That helps keep the moisture down and it helps kill bacteria. They have an inner layer, which is a non-woven polyester. It helps prevent particles and moisture from getting through. And then that inner white layer is treated with Silvadur, which is an antimicrobial technology. So a lot of thought put into this, a lot of different technology put into this little mask, which is fantastic. They do come in 3 sizes. This is the adult. They also have a child large and a child small. I'm not affiliated with F-Stop. They're not paying for this. This is just an honest review from what they've sent me. I got this package in the mail last week and had a chance to work with these and experience them a little bit. I love them. I will drop a link below that if you want to purchase these, you can go directly to their website. But fantastic piece of gear. So let's gear up. And let's go shooting.